So it's about 1,000,000 degrees. We are now in Ubud, which is the center of Bali. The place we're staying is called Ubud. Our island hopping is now over, and yeah, time to explore Ubud. So all of these crowds, there was a famous wedding that happened yesterday, and it goes over 3 days. It's the King of Ubud's son who got married. So there's a whole like massive ordeal that happens here, which is awesome. But now, what is going on here? Yeah, I thought that was really awesome. They do look after the monkeys, and you know, all the money goes towards the upkeep of them, and it's an absolute beautiful little jungle. Okay, good morning. Yeah, so last night was rather entertaining. We stumbled upon a massive reggae concert, and the dude was pretty damn famous. So we got parked in, and it got entertaining, but yeah, we had some chow. Took a scooter drive back, but yeah, the place that we're staying at is so awesome. It works out to $900 for 5 nights, and it includes breakfast, so that's flipping incredible. So how it works is the entire family stays in the village. Everyone does their own unique thing, and it's pretty damn incredible. It's true family living right there, but such a cool place. But yeah, so first of all, this morning just had breakfast. We're going to be going to a temple, and from there we'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is a Hindu Balinese temple that has a ton of natural springs, which they classify as holy water.
The ritual that you see them doing is a purification. So they make an offering and they purify themselves with the holy water.
So I'm a little bit biased, and this second temple we're at now looks a lot better. I think it's more naturally beautiful. morning. So we're up early. It is now 20 past 6 and we're already starting our little hike that we're doing. So this place that we called is called I think called Campuhan Ridge Walk or something. We'll put it on the screen. Look, when we arrived there were 3 other scooters piling in, but there were 2 before us, so I think a lot of other people have the same ideas. But yeah, it's like a bit of like a hike that you do, and hopefully it's awesome. To our bird park, Bali birdies. Of course, we have to find a bird park in every country we go to, or every little place we have to go to. If there's a bird park, we are there, and we are here at the Bali Bird Park. There's our boy.
How beautiful the girl.
He's our boy. Good morning. So another beautiful day. There's a few clouds in the sky, which is great because it's been about 1,000,000 degrees, just permanent days of sweat. But yeah, we start our day with another incredible flat white. If you're in Ubud, go to Ubud Coffee Roastery. It's amazing. Get the flat white. It's 25k, which is the same price back home, but it's good price here. Because on average, I think it's like 30, 35 for a cappuccino. So anyway, so we're here, it's 9:45 and we're at Tibumana Waterfall. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but yeah. It's another early morning for us in Ubud. We are now making our way to the main rice terrace. Even though it's 10 past 6, it's early for us. We're ready to go. It's about a half an hour drive for us, but yeah, you've got to get here early. It might even be too late, but yeah, there's normally a lot of people there, so you want to get there early to make sure there's not 1,000,000 tourists in all your shots. But yeah, let's go check it out. Amazing spots everywhere. Get here early. So make your way to this temple after you've done the rice fields, I know I keep talking about this, but it's 10 to 9 and we are the only people in this entire temple. Because I think it's actually more beautiful than the last water temple we went to. Okay, so that's another water temple done, and probably one of our favorites. This and the rock temple that we went to, definitely one of our top two. So peaceful, so calming. There's oaks playing badminton here, and yeah, it's just absolutely mesmerizing. It's peaceful, quiet, and calming, and exactly what a temple should be. I know I'm a tourist myself, but it does help strongly doing whatever you do early. Get wherever you're going, do it early, because it'll just be that much more special.